Beautiful day here in Malaysia today, guys. A little overcast, but that's a good thing when it's normally so hot. And look at this old thing, huh? These old wooden cargo boats. I haven't seen this one before, I don't think. She looks to be in great shape. I don't know if the guys on these are brave, smart, stupid, or what, but how do they keep these things afloat? Some tugboats and a big container ship, I think, coming in. Saturday today, so there's a nice little pleasure boat right over there beside Singapore. This thing's loaded. I guess that's why the crane's here. I don't know if you can see that, but this thing's been fiberglass, huh? It's got a layer of fiberglass on there. By the look of the dry rot on the top, it's probably the only thing keeping her afloat. How you doing? I take it that's the captain. Let's get a look at the other end. I don't even know what's in those cans. But they have a lot of them. The captain's wheel. It's about 5 feet high by the looks of it. Actually, you can't go far. There's one little antenna for a radio, no radar, nothing. You must go to one of the islands here. Just look at the holes in her. It's just rotting away. That bulk carrier, she's been here for weeks. Sailboat right there, right up against that island. Busy place, huh? Alright, go can see the fiberglass on her now. 3.5 meters in the water line there. And she's about just over 3 meters in the water. She was probably something in her day, but I think that day was done about 50 years ago. Let's look at all the patches. Look, literally holes in the sides. Unbelievable. I'd be scared to go anywhere in this thing. And there's no shortage of these, huh? You look down the end of the dock down here. There's a white one with a blue top. That's inside the security. I can't go down there, I don't think. Or I got kicked out of it before anyway. Check this thing out. She's really high out of the water for having so many containers on her. Make you think there's nothing in the containers, but I guess there's lots of room for more. She's not very big if you compare it to a lot of the ones on the water nowadays. I remember some of the ones coming out of Singapore last year. They looked like apartment buildings floating across the water. They were so big and so high. The ones they use for carrying cars. But there's big business in Singapore, second-hand cars. You're not allowed to have a car that's older than 10 years in Singapore. So when your car's 10 years old, it gets sold and shipped to places like South Africa and New Zealand. I know that. I know for a fact New Zealand. I know a guy who bought a car in New Zealand that's from Singapore. And he said it's normally really good vehicles that come out of Singapore. Low miles, hardly used. And those boats are massive. Now there's a tugboat sitting here. You would think it's waiting for this thing. I don't know where she's gonna land at. I was open right here, but don't think so unless they're going to turn her around. Further up the strait there's another port. I've seen trucks coming out of there anyway. Look at that thing. Oh, another tugboat coming too. Beautiful day to have a boat. She's got a Malaysia flag on her. Yeah, there's not that many containers, is there? That is a very old motor on a very old boat. But that looks like fun. I think I could sit here and watch boats all day long for some reason. This red one up here is carrying propane, huh? LPG. Okay, look at this. Go ahead, dude. Don't know where that guy's going, but kind of wish I was going with him. Okay, guys, well, I guess that's it for my day on the docks. I gotta get out of here. One last look at this rotted out old thing. Well, she's in bad shape. I guess they were smart enough to fiberglass this one. Enough to keep her afloat anyway.